I'm going to show you how you can fix the 1 hour wait you get from Linkvertise. Now, the most common way you can actually fix this is by using something called bypassity. This is completely legal and you're not suppressing anything here, right? So you can see the supported website is here, and you can see the most supported website here is Linkvertise. You can also get all of these other link shorteners things here. You can see bit.ly even, and you would just paste the link into here and then tap on bypass link, and then you can bypass everything and then just get directly into the link. If you don't want to use this, you can also use other things. I have heard that using incognito mode sometimes work as well. So you just have to enable incognito mode. So tap on new incognito window here, and then you can tap it here. Sometimes that works. If that doesn't work, there is one more solution, but you will need a VPN subscription. You can use a couple of free ones. Like for example, I have Proton VPN here. Now you can see on Proton VPN, I do have my VPN right here. If you want to connect, just tap on this to change your IP. Proton VPN is free, so you don't have to pay for anything. So just tap on quick connect here to connect to a VPN, and then after that your IP will be changed, and that could fix the 1 hour long wait. But of course, the most easy way you can bypass this is by using this website, bypassity.